Hello everyone friends, this is Wellar. Today I'll show you what to do if Google Chrome isn't working, not responding, or won't open. Here it is, my Google Chrome. Right-click on Properties and then click on File Location. This opens the Chrome folder. Yes, this is the application itself. All we need to do is right-click on it, rename it, and add a dash at the end like this. After that, right-click and we need to create a shortcut on the desktop. To do this, click on More Options. Here, we need to click the Send to button and select Desktop. There, and after that, Chrome should start working. Now, if this doesn't help, you can completely reinstall it. Right? To do this, go to Start, Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Here, type Chrome. Here's Google Chrome, uninstall it and install it again. That's all. This was Weller. Goodbye everyone.